Hello everyone, welcome back to Web Tech Tutorial. I'll be helping you learn how to download StarMaker app in today's episode. Before starting, StarMaker is an amazing free karaoke app that lets you sing your own cover of top songs from a massive catalog of more than 20 lakh songs. To download StarMaker on your device, go to your Play Store and type in StarMaker. As soon as you find the app, tap on the install button to download it onto your device. Wait for the download to finish. After download, wait for the installation to complete. After it is done, tap open the app and select your preferred language from the list. This is how StarMaker looks like. You can choose from hundreds of music and sing your own karaoke of your own cover. To log into StarMaker, tap on the login button and you are good to go. How to log into StarMaker application in today's video. To log into StarMaker application, make sure you've downloaded it on your device. After that, tap on StarMaker application from the app drawer or your app list. When you're in, you'll see this kind of an interface on your display. To log into StarMaker, tap on the login button. You can log in with Facebook, Google, or email address and phone number. Choose any one you feel comfortable with. Let me choose the Facebook option right here. Now tap on continue to your Facebook profile and you have logged in successfully to StarMaker app in no time. To sing a new karaoke, select from the songbook and tap on sing in order to choose the song you want to try out. Just like that. Tap on OK, let's do it and go ahead and make yourself a star in StarMaker. How to sign up for StarMaker application. To log into StarMaker, first of all, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. After you are done, tap open the app and from the home screen, you'll see a login button. Simply tap on the login button. Now, to log into StarMaker, you can either log in using your Facebook account, your Google account, or tap on More Ways at the bottom of the screen. After you do that, you'll see two more options. You can either enter your email address or your phone number. Choose any one you feel comfortable with and simply tap on it. If you tap on your phone number, then you'll need to select your country code and type in your phone number. After that, tap on the next button. A code will be sent to the number you just entered. Wait for it to arrive. After it arrives, simply copy the code and paste it on the box. Or you can type it in, and after you do that, you can bind with Facebook to log in with just one tap or set a password for your account. Choose any one you like. Let me choose set password for my StarMaker account. Now type in a password for your StarMaker. On the next field, confirm the password by typing it one more time. After you're done, tap on the Done button, and that is how you can sign up to StarMaker. To start your first karaoke, simply tap on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen and choose a song which you want to sing by tapping on the Sing button. How to change StarMaker password in today's episode. Now, go to StarMaker application from your app drawer and tap it open. Make sure you are signed in to it. And once you're in, tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the Settings button located right beside the Search button at the top right and tap on Count Security. You'll see a password option in the next field. Simply tap on it and you'll need to enter an old password for your StarMaker account. That is to verify that it is you who's changing the password. So go ahead and enter your old password. Once you're done, enter a new password you want to change to. Next, confirm the password by typing it again. After you're done, tap on Done and you will be able to change your StarMaker password. How to go live on StarMaker? Start by going to your StarMaker application from your app list and tap it open. Once you're signed in, to go live, tap on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen, and on the upper part of your screen you'll be able to see lots of icons over there. Tap on Live, and on the next page at the top right corner there is a Live button right beside the History button. tap on it and allow access for your StarMaker to your camera, your recording, and your storage. To do so, tap OK, let's do it. Type in your live broadcast title first. Choose the category for your live by tapping on Category Plus and choose your category from the options and tap OK. You can add beauty mode to your face as well from the bottom left and beautify yourself from the options. Tap on the filter button and choose any filter you'd like for your live broadcast. Increase the intensity of the filter by sliding through the white dot. After you are ready to go live, tap on Go Live, and that is it. How to download songs on StarMaker. Go to StarMaker application and search for the song you want to download. Let me download one of my songs and show you how. So to download the song on your device, what you can do is go to your Play Store and search for Downloader for StarMaker, this app right here, and download it on your device. After you're done with the download, tap open the application. Allow permission to save the file by tapping on OK and tap Allow. Now, you'll need to copy the link of the song you want to download from StarMaker. Select the song you want to download and tap on the share button right here and copy the link by tapping on Copy Link. Go back to the app and paste the link that you just copied right here in the URL box. Tap Paste and tap on Download. Wait for a few moments and you'll be able to see the song that you just downloaded. Simply tap it open and you can even find the song on your phone gallery right here. As you can see, that is the song that I downloaded on my device. You can find it in your gallery. How to block someone on StarMaker. To avoid unwanted interactions, you can easily block a contact on StarMaker. Tap open StarMaker from your app list. Once you're in, select the contact you want to block. You can go to the Me icon located at the bottom right and tap on Followers at the top left to view the list of followers following your StarMaker account. If you want to block a certain someone, select their profile by tapping on their name, and once you reach their profile, tap on the three dots located at the upper right. You can see three options there: block, report, and cancel. To block someone, tap on Block, and if you are sure you want to block a certain person, tap on Block from the pop-up. Remember that they won't be able to find your profile, post, or comment you once you block them. Simply tap on Block and you will block someone on StarMaker successfully. How to create a party room for StarMaker. Go to your StarMaker from your app list and make sure you're signed in. After you're signed in, tap on Party icon located right beside the social icon at the bottom of the screen, and to create a party room, click on My Room at the upper right. Now tap on the plus icon located at the upper right corner and you can create a room of your own. To upload your cover photo, tap on the camera icon at the upper part of the screen. Take a photo or choose from your gallery. Select the picture of your choice and tap Choose. You've uploaded a cover photo for your party room. Now type in the room name. Once you're done, tap on the Done button at the upper right corner. You've set a name for your party room on StarMaker now. Let's move on the next row. Tap on Room Mode and you can select Solo Mode and Multi-Mode for your room. Tap on your choice and on the next row, tap on Who Can Join and select the people that you would want to join your party room. If you want literally anyone to join your room, then tap on Anyone. If you want the people that you follow to join, then tap on Room Owners Following. And if you want local users only, then tap on Local Users Only. Let me tap on Anyone, and under Who Can Sing, it has been automatically set to anyone, as you can see. Now select the language. You have multiple languages you can select from over here. Let me select English. After you are done, tap on Done at the upper right. You have successfully created a party room for your StarMaker. Here's a short introduction for party room. Tap on Next to explore. Once you are done, this is your party room. you'll be able to see your ID and your rank. At the top you can see the one icon. Tap on the icon and that is your level icon. Go through the rules, what it has to say, and scroll down until you find icon lightning tasks. Complete the task that has been listed below. You've already completed 2 tasks. Now to complete the next one, tap on set the room announcement not less than 30 characters. Now let us do it. Tap on announcement and announce for your party room and type in the announcement for your party room. This is my announcement. Once you have typed in your announcement, tap on done at the upper right. Now go back and tap on the one icon again. Now the last tasks you need to do is to upload your photo. Just like that, complete other tasks as well and your icon will light up. How to upload song on StarMaker application. Tap open StarMaker application from your app drawer, and as soon as you are in, make sure that you are signed into it first, and after you're in, tap on the microphone icon in order to upload a song. You can select any karaoke tracks from the songbook category. Choose the karaoke track from the song list. Tap on the sing button in order to sing to a particular track. You'll need to allow access for your camera and your recorder. Tap on OK, let's do it in order to enable it. Allow access by tapping on allow. The lyrics of the song will be displayed on the screen. You can either select hook, solo, or duet, and start by tapping on start and sing to your karaoke track. After you're done, tap on the tick mark at the right side. StarMaker will rate you according to your singing, and this is the preview of your recording. Type in whatever you like about the song that you recorded. After you are done, you can choose to change the effects from the effects menu and customize your sound as well. Go through the effects and apply them to your song. There are equalizers, volume, and adjustments that you can make to your song as well. If you want to put any kind of a slideshow on your video, then you can choose from your gallery by tapping on slideshow and pick pictures of your choice. Tap on cover and take the cover image from your camera or choose from your photos. After you are done, tap on post. How to find and follow someone on StarMaker application. To follow and find someone on StarMaker, go through your app list and tap open StarMaker. Once you're signed in, tap on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search tab, search for the person you want to follow. And once you search for the person, you'll see this kind of a page where you can select your search result from following categories: all, songs, artist, or people. Tap on people and you'll be able to see the list of the person you can follow by that name. Once you find the person, tap on the follow button at the right side and you have successfully followed and found the person you are searching for on StarMaker. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.